So, um, let's dive into the world of Microsoft Azure networking. It's like the backbone, connecting all your cloud resources.
Yeah,
Everything from virtual networks to load balancers is all here.
right. It really sounds like a whole ecosystem. But remind me, what's the foundation in all this?
Well, it all starts with the Azure Virtual Network, or VNet. Think of it as your private network in the cloud, used to connect VMs, app services, and more. It comes with subnets, IP ranges, network security groups, and route
Mm-hmm.
tables. And um, you can even connect it to on-premises networks via VPN or ExpressRoute.
Got it. So VNet is like your starting block. Then there's VNet peering, right?
Exactly. VNet peering is basically the bridge. Um, it connects two VNets, even across regions. It offers low latency, high bandwidth communication without exposing traffic to the public internet.
Right.
You might use it to link, say, a development environment in one region with a production environment in another.
That's cool. And what about the VPN gateway? How does that play in this setup?
So, the VPN gateway is, um, like your secure tunnel, enabling site to site, point to site, or even VNet to VNet connections. It uses IPsec, sometimes with BGP routing for dynamic control. It's great for linking on-premises networks to Azure.
Yeah. I've always wondered, why would someone use ExpressRoute then if the VPN feels secure enough?
Great question. ExpressRoute is kind of like a VIP pass. It provides a dedicated private connection between your on-premises environment and Azure. It's higher throughput, lower latency, avoids the public internet, and is more reliable overall. But
Mm,
I do think, well, some might argue VPN is sufficient for smaller loads.
sure, though in an enterprise setup, if reliability is the game, ExpressRoute really takes the cake, right?
Exactly. Switching gears a bit, let's talk load balancing. Azure offers a couple of interesting options. First up, the Azure Load Balancer, which works at layer 4 to distribute TCP UDP traffic. It's got both internal and public options with health probes.
Right on.
It's perfect for balancing HTTP requests among web servers.
And then we have the Azure Application Gateway, which steps it up for HTTP, HTTPS with intelligent routing and even a web application firewall.
Yep, it's like having a smart router that can route based on URL paths or cookie settings, providing SSL termination and more.
Yeah. But wait, doesn't Azure Front Door come into play globally?
Absolutely. Front Door is the global champion for HTTP, HTTPS load balancing, and even acts like a CDN. It deals with global routing, SSL offloading, and, get this, even includes WAF capabilities.
Right, really cool.
It's designed for those e-commerce sites serving customers worldwide.
And what about Azure Traffic Manager? How is that different from Front Door?
Traffic Manager is DNS-based. It directs users to the nearest or healthiest endpoint. Think of it like a traffic cop managing routes based on geography, performance, or even failover conditions.
Mm-hmm. Interesting. So while Front Door handles the content delivery, Traffic Manager is more about the DNS side of routing.
Exactly. And finally, we have Azure Private Link, or Private Endpoint, which lets you connect to Azure PaaS services like blob storage or SQL database through a private IP. It makes sure your traffic never goes public, boosting security significantly.
Yeah, safer by design. It's a pretty comprehensive suite, huh? Each element plays its own part in this layered network approach.
Absolutely. When you put it all together, it's like constructing a um, multi-layered architectural marvel that ensures smooth connectivity, security, and performance across all your applications, whether local or global.
For sure. This deep dive really shows how Microsoft Azure has engineered a robust and scalable network framework, from VNets to front door.
Exactly. Every piece is designed with purpose, making sure that um, whether you're hosting a small app or managing a multinational cloud infrastructure, Azure's got you covered.
Right.